Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max is just around the corner, but if you're thinking about upgrading, you might want to hold off. The real game changer is shaping up to be the iPhone 18 Pro Max, and the early leaks already give plenty of reasons why skipping the 17 could be the smarter move. One of the most anticipated changes is a redesigned front experience. The dynamic island is expected to shrink dramatically. Leakers suggest Apple may either reduce its size by nearly half or introduce under-display Face ID, leaving only a small hole-punch camera visible. While both possibilities are on the table, industry watchers consider the slimmer island the more likely option for 2026. This alone would make iPhone 18 Pro Max feel far sleeker and more futuristic compared to the iPhone 17. The second big upgrade targets photography. Apple is reportedly introducing a variable Aperture main camera, similar to professional DSLR or mirrorless systems. Unlike today's fixed aperture, the new system will automatically adjust light intake depending on conditions, aided by the new A-series chip. On bright days, the sensor will prevent overexposure, while in low light, it will open wider for dramatically better night photography. Pair this with another major change: Apple moving away from Sony camera sensors and back to Samsung as a supplier, and the iPhone 18 Pro Max is set to deliver its strongest photo performance yet. Performance itself is also getting a massive jump. The iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max will run on the A20 chip, built on TSMC 2nm processor. Analysts expect this leap to be significantly bigger than the modest improvements between the A18 and A19, making the A20 one of Apple's most important chips yet. Adding to this, the iPhone 18 Pro models are also tipped to feature 12 GB of faster, higher bandwidth RAM. Apple is said to be introducing its new C2 chip, an in-house communication processor that will handle 5G, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth more efficiently than the current C1. This should not only improve speeds but also extend battery life. Speaking of power, Apple is expected to use carbon-based batteries in the iPhone 18 lineup. This could mean faster charging, improved durability, and longer daily use compared to the iPhone 17 series. Design-wise, don't expect major changes beyond the smaller dynamic island. Apple seems to be holding a full redesign until the iPhone 20, meaning the iPhone 18 Pro Max, will mostly refine rather than reinvent its overall look. Still, the internal hardware shifts and camera technology are enough to make this device stand out. So when can you expect it? According to current leaks, the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max are slated for September 2026. Pricing is expected to remain unchanged from the iPhone 17 lineup, with the iPhone 18 Pro starting around $1,049 and the iPhone 18 Pro Max at $1,249 in the US.